Hi, my name is Anton, and today I'm happy to present you a Reporting Studio. Reporting Studio is our no-code solution to create reports from different data sources. So no hassle anymore to download data from different places, compile them in an Excel sheet, and create your visualizations. Everything can be done in one single place, Reporting Studio. So with Reporting Studio, you can build this kind of dashboards to have an overview of maybe your downloads, your rank, the app power, or metrics from your integration data. Let's have a look at how we're actually building a report. So here I'm going to create a new report. The first step is always to add a metric. And when you're going to select the metric, you're going to have the possibility to choose from different data sources. So you will have all the data from Apptech, so analytics data, but also keyword related data. So keyword rank, keyword installs, max reach, and so on. And of course, what's very valuable is to have integration data. So all the data that you have from your App Store Connect integration can be impressions, downloads, sales data, even usage or in-app events. Same for Google Play Console or Google Play Report. And we also have data from Apple Search Ads or MMP providers if you're using an MMP tool. So let's create our first report. I'm going to start by looking at the downloads estimates. I need to select a country. I'm selecting an app. I'm going to look at Airbnb. I'm clicking on save. And here I can see the evolution of downloads estimates over time. I can change the type of graph to see it in bar chart, in column chart, or just as a single metric. And here what's interesting is to look at Airbnb before the summer to see if it had a positive increase with all the people booking their holidays. So we can indeed see that there was an increase. And something else I might wonder is if the app got featured during that time frame, because it could have potentially positive impacts. So I'm going to select featurings in today and the apps tab. Here we can actually see that the app was getting featured in the apps tab quite a few times. And indeed, there might have been some spikes that were caused by this featuring. Now, something else that could be interesting is to have a look at the performance compared to previous year. So you can easily do this by using this compare to feature and seeing the evolution compared to previous year. And it is pretty positive. Overall, everything seems to be higher than previous year. And if we go on the metric chart, we can also see the absolute value over the whole period that we have selected. And we see a good 20% increase. So now finally, I'm just going to rename my report saying Airbnb downloads. And I'm going to say friends. The report is normally automatically added to the dashboard because we create it from there, but let's check. Okay, all right, the report is indeed. So now I just need to go back to my dashboard and normally it will appear here at the bottom. All right. So with those dashboards, you can indeed create as many dashboards as you want. I created, for example, another dashboard to have a look at my integration data. So for example, your downloads on iOS and on Google Play, looking on your impressions or visitors and having a breakdown by source type or having a look at your conversion rate for each of those two stores, the downloads per month on a column chart. And interestingly, you can also actually combine those two metrics together. So if we zoom in this report, we'll see how I have created this. So we have actually created a custom metric where I've added two of the previous metric and created one single out of it. So I can show those metric to see how it renders. And we can see that the purple line is actually the sum of the blue and the red line. So this is a very powerful feature if you want to report one unified metric for Google Play and Apple together. And of course, I have tons of other dashboards that I've created for all the different use cases that I have in mind, AC and ASO. I've created an app launch dashboard to measure the KPIs of my app after the launch. And there are as many dashboards as we have use cases. I hope you will save a lot of time with Reporting Studio, and we are happy to hear your feedback about it.